Cade Cunningham is an American professional basketball player. He was born in Arlington, Texas to Carrie and Cade Cunningham. He grew up playing football as a quarterback, which he believes helped him become a better passer and leader in the basketball court. Cunningham focused on basketball after watching his brother play the sport in college. He frequently played basketball with his father and brother at a recreation center. His father, Keith, played college football for Texas Tech. His older brother, Cannon, played college basketball for SMU, surpassing the school record for games played before spending one professional season in Poland. Cannon later pursued a coaching career, becoming an assistant coach for Oklahoma State entering the 2019-20 season. Cunningham has a daughter named Riley, born in 2018. Cunningham played for the United States at the 2019 FIBA Under-19 World Cup in Heraklion, Greece. In 7 games, he averaged 11.7 points, 5.7 assists and 4.9 rebounds per game, helping his team win the gold medal. In the finals, Cunningham led all scorers with 21 points along with 7 rebounds and 7 assists in a 93-79 win over Mali. On October 28, 2023, Cunningham led the Pistons to a 118-102 win over the Chicago Bulls with a 25-point, 10-assist double-double. On December 18, Cunningham put up a career-high 43 points in a 130-124 loss to the Atlanta Hawks. On October 28, 2022, he scored a career-high 35 points along with recording 9 rebounds and 8 assists during a 132-116 loss to the Atlanta Hawks. On December 12, it was announced Cunningham would undergo season-ending surgery to repair a stress fracture in his left shin. Prior to his injury, he averaged 19.9 points, 6.2 rebounds and 6 assists, shooting 41.5% overall and 27.9% on 3-point attempts in 12 games. On April 1, 2021, Cunningham announced that he would enter the 2021 NBA draft and forego his remaining college eligibility. Analysts recorded him as the consensus number 1 pick in the draft. Cunningham was drafted with the first overall pick of the 2021 NBA draft by the Detroit Pistons. On August 8, 2021, he made his debut in the 2021 NBA Summer League in a 76-72 win against the Oklahoma City Thunder, in which he posted 12 points, 6 rebounds and 2 assists in 26 minutes. On October 30, 2022, he made his NBA debut, putting up 2 points, 2 assists and 7 rebounds in a 110-103 win over the Orlando Magic. After 5 games, Cunningham posted his first 40-plus field goal percentage and he had an 18-point, 10-rebound double-double in his 3rd NBA game. On November 15, Cunningham became the youngest player in NBA history to tally at least 25 points, 8 rebounds and 8 assists with 5 3-pointers in a game at 20 years, 51 days. He topped LeBron James.